In this demo, we're going to look at setting up Decky as a supplier on the Supply Master app. This will allow you to sync Decky products to Shopify and keep them updated automatically. We begin on the product screen of our Shopify store. As you can see, there are currently no products from Decky in this store. Let's now navigate over to the Supply Master app. On the app, let's click Add Supplier. In the Add Supplier dropdown, let's choose Decky. Let us give this supplier a name. And navigate to the next step. And choose to import inventory from this supplier to our Shopify location. Click to publish imported products to the online store. And let's do a quick check on the default field settings. All of this looks good to me. So let's go ahead and save the supplier. Once this is done, let's click on View and Import Products. This tab gives you a view of the products you want to import from Decky. We can also browse the catalog and choose products. On the Browse Catalog tab, we can see visuals of all the products in the Decky catalog. We can also search for products. Let's select those that have camo in the title. You can view those products here. Let's go and set up these products for import by adding a product filter. Once the filters are saved, a listing of the various products will be displayed. Let me go ahead and click Import Products. The import process will now run. Once the import has run, let's navigate over to the product screen. The imported products are now available on your store. The product name, description, and all product images and inventory have been successfully downloaded to your store. You can scroll through the products to verify this. And with that, in just a few minutes, we have successfully set up Decky as a supplier and synced their data to your Shopify store. The data will automatically sync daily, allowing your store data to stay current and reflect accurate quantities and pricing. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@comstack.com.